A body in distress, Sarah stared wearily into the bathroom mirror, tracing the dark circles under her eyes. For weeks, she had been battling debilitating migraines and chronic fatigue that left her feeling depleted and disconnected from her own body. Modern medicine had provided little relief, a laundry list of prescription medications with unpleasant side effects. Desperate for answers, Sarah decided to take a different approach and reconnect with ancient healing traditions, turmeric and mindfulness. Sarah's first step was to overhaul her diet, focusing on whole, organic foods that nourished rather than taxed her system. Bright yellow turmeric, nature's potent anti-inflammatory, became a daily ritual mixed into teas, curries, and even her morning smoothie. Alongside this dietary shift, Sarah committed to a simple meditation practice. Each morning, she would find a quiet spot, close her eyes, and turn her attention inward. She observed her breath, relaxed her muscles, and allowed herself to just be. No judgments, no agendas, no expectations. A profound transformation. Within a few weeks, Sarah began to notice subtle changes. The migraines that had plagued her for months began to subside. Her energy levels steadily increased, and she found herself more present and engaged throughout the day. But the most profound transformation occurred when Sarah tuned into the rhythmic pulses of her own body. She could almost feel the turmeric compounds coursing through her veins, reducing inflammation and restoring balance. And in those quiet moments of meditation, she sensed an ancient, innate wisdom, a kind of sentience that extended far beyond her conscious mind. Honoring the body's wisdom, Sarah's healing journey was not a straight path. There were still ups and downs, good days and bad. But gradually, she learned to listen more closely to the signals her body was sending, to honor its wisdom and respond with compassion. Through the power of turmeric and mindfulness, Sarah had rediscovered a deep, abiding connection to her physical self, one that had been buried beneath the stresses and toxins of modern life. And in doing so, she had unlocked a wellspring of vitality, resilience, and self-empowerment that would guide her towards greater health and wholeness. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos like this.